Okay, today I'm going to show you how I do my egg food mix every morning for my canaries. To start, I use a blend of couscous and quinoa. There you go. With a little bit of grated carrot. And the way I make this is by boiling the quinoa for about 20 to 25 minutes. Soaking the couscous for about 20 minutes in warm water on the side. Then rinsing it with cold water. Then I put it all together and add a little bit of grated carrot. And that is the end result right there. Okay. Second thing I'm going to use is bee pollen. I buy this fresh from the local nutrition store. Okay, always keep that refrigerated. I use Volkmann's egg food. That's obviously a dried egg food. I use sprouted barley. Okay, so you can see the sprouts just barely coming out. That's how you want it. Sprouted safflower seeds. Okay. And sprouted red oats. And here I have my blend of vegetables. I like to use broccoli, cucumber, and carrots. Rinse very well before I put it in the blender. Alright, so now let's start the mix. Now, by the way, if you're trying to breed your canaries, I like to add Petamine. This is a Volkmann's Petamine formula. Okay. And I also add this probiotic supplement. It's a microorganism for feeding birds. Okay. So I've added about 3 scoops of quinoa and couscous blend. Now, for those of you that are wondering how I made the quinoa, like I said before, I boil it for about 25 minutes, and just think of it as making rice, just the same exact way. Okay. Now I've just added about a tablespoon of bee pollen. You can see it there. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it in there. Okay. Now we're going to add our egg food. Mix that in there as well. Now, the one thing that I did learn was a couple months ago was not to make it really sticky. So you want to make sure that it has this consistency in there, like this. If it all sticks to the fork, then add a little bit more egg food to suck up some of the water that's in the couscous and quinoa. Otherwise, the birds won't really eat it. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now, I like to add a pinch of seeds there. Pinch of barley. And some red oats. So they have a variety every day. They can choose what they want to eat. So let's go ahead and blend that in. And like I said, if you're planning on breeding your birds for the breeding season, add about a spoonful of petamine. Whether they're breeding or not, I still add I sprinkle the top with this supplement. Okay. Now the last thing we're going to do is just add the mixed vegetables. So I put 3 tablespoons of vegetable mix. Fresh vegetable mix. There you go. And the remaining vegetables I'll put in the refrigerator for tonight's feeding. I like to do this fresh every single morning to make sure that it doesn't spoil and no bacteria starts to form in the food. So that's what it should look like. And I'm going to tell you something. Every day that my birds eat this, they don't leave anything in their bowl. They love to eat this food. Very nutritious, full of vitamins. So now I've added the supplement, little microorganisms in there. So today I'm giving them vegetables. Tomorrow I'll do a blend of fruits. The day after that, go back to vegetables. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video.